Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, Emma. Today we're talking about the growing trend of electric vehicles in Alabama and a unique event that brought together EV owners, car dealerships, and industry experts to showcase the benefits of driving electric. We're coming to you live from Birmingham, where the city hosted its first-ever Earth Day EV showcase at the market at Pepper Place. That's right, folks. The entire parking lot was filled with an incredible array of electric vehicles, including full-sized pickups from Chevy, Ford, GMC, and Rivian, as well as a Tesla Roadster. And I have to say, it was love at first sight for many attendees who were eager to learn more about the benefits of driving electric. We spoke to Mark Turner, an all-electric Chevrolet Bolt owner who has put nearly 110,000 miles on his car in less than 2 years as a rideshare driver. He shared with us that he saved significantly on fuel costs, considering a full charge costs about $9 and gives him 250 miles of range. And he says, "I don't think I'll ever go back to a gas-powered car." That's the kind of enthusiasm we're seeing from EV owners all over the state. But what really sets these events apart is the chance for everyday drivers like you and me to have one-on-one conversations with EV owners and industry experts. We met Logan Justice, a sales representative from Edwards Chevrolet, who told us that Chevy's EV lineup features crossovers, SUVs, and full-sized pickup trucks, making them perfect for any family or lifestyle. And we also spoke with Casey Foster, Executive Director of the Alabama Clean Fuels Coalition, who shared some exciting incentives from Alabama Power, including a $500 rebate for home charger installation. Now I know what you're thinking. Is driving electric really worth it? Well, let me tell you, folks, this is exactly what we're trying to find out. And with events like the Birmingham Earth Day EV Showcase, we're getting closer to the answer. So if you're curious about making the switch to an electric vehicle, be sure to check out Drive Electric Alabama's website and follow them on social media. In Metro Mobile, members of the Bay Area chapter also had their own EV showcase at Chickasabog Park in 8 Mile, featuring a variety of EV makes and models. And Donahue Chevrolet, in collaboration with Drive Electric Alabama and the Alabama Clean Fuels Coalition, offered free EV test drives to attendees. It's clear that this trend is here to stay, and we're excited to be a part of it. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on Electro Drive News. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily updates on Alabama politics, policy, elections, and government.